Figuring out the right career path can feel overwhelming, whether you're a high school student, college seeker, or adult learner. But you don't have to do it alone. Your path to a rewarding future starts now. Career Pathway programs provide a clear roadmap to help you navigate every step toward a career in a field you love. We've mapped out 4 in-demand, high-paying career pathways in business, education, engineering, and health, designed for learners of all ages. High school students can get a head start with dual enrollment classes, earning college credits while still in high school. Adult learners can take advantage of flexible programs to transition into a new career or upskill for that next promotion. No matter your age or stage, career pathways make the process less overwhelming and more achievable. Discover the career path that's right for you at exploreitachieveit.org.